नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं एबी न्यूज का स्पेशल प्रोग्राम अपनी पहचान और मैं हूं आपके साथ विनीता मिश्रा। अपनी पहचान एक ऐसा प्रोग्राम जिसमें हम आपको मिलवाते हैं उन तमाम खास लोगों से जिन्होंने बेहद ही कम समय में अपनी अलग पहचान बनाई है, जिन्होंने सपने देखे हैं और उन्हें पूरा भी किया है। तो चलिए करते हैं प्रोग्राम की शुरुआत और जानते हैं उनकी सक्सेस स्टोरी।
आज के गेस्ट है हमारे, बहुत स्पेशल गेस्ट है आज के हमारे साथ। एक नहीं, दो नहीं, बट 4 गेस्ट है। पहले गेस्ट है निरंजन। वो एक टेडेक्स स्पीकर है, ऑथर है और इंस्पिरेशनल स्पीकर और कॉर्पोरेट ट्रेनर है।
बिल्कुल दर्शना, तो चलिए करते हैं प्रोग्राम की शुरुआत। और जो हमारे पहले गेस्ट हैं निरंजन, उनसे बातचीत करेंगे, लेकिन उनका एक छोटा सा पहले वीडियो देखते हैं। तो ये वीडियो देखा आपने निरंजन का, जिन्होंने बेहद ही कम समय में अपनी अलग पहचान बनाई है, जिन्होंने सपने देखे और उन्हें पूरा भी किया है। तो निरंजन हमारे साथ जुड़ गए हैं। हेलो निरंजन, वेलकम ऑन एबी न्यूज।
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
निरंजन, आपने सपने देखे, उन्हें पूरा भी किया है। आपने बेहद ही कम समय में अपनी अलग पहचान बनाई है। कहाँ से आपके सफर की शुरुआत हुई, क्या कुछ रही आपकी सक्सेस स्टोरी?
See, what happened is I had just passed out from IIT. I came from a small town place called Davangere in Karnataka.
जी.
And I was working in a software company. And what happened is I should have gone to US in a couple of months' time. And I had a great dream of going to US. And I was working and all. I came to my flat and I had a high fever. I don't know what happened. It was Friday and the Sunday, without my knowledge, I have walked to the balcony and fell down from a 4th floor, and the injury was so severe that I lost strength to my legs. Waist below was paralyzed and my right hand was broken into multiple places. And I was hospitalized. I didn't even know that I'm not going to walk forever in my life. And this happened only. I came to know only after 3 months when doctor came to me and one day he told me, Niranjan, I want to be straight with you. Get used to riding wheelchair from tomorrow onwards. You are not going to walk forever in your life. So this was an incident which it's very difficult for me to even digest, because all these days my life was pretty normal and suddenly I was asked to spend the rest of my life in the wheelchair, and how to take was so difficult, and I just accept. Only the tears started coming through my eyes, and then I started thinking, how do I spend my life in future? And I was taken to the operation theatre almost 17 times and hundreds of injections were pushed to my body. And I lost almost all the hope And once upon a time, when I was in the hospital, unable to spend my time in hopelessness, I even thought of ending my life. But I realized I couldn't even end my life because I couldn't even get up from the hospital bed. It was then I came to the realization that when you hit the rock bottom in your life, the only way is to go up. There were only two choices, either to give up or keep going. Then I decided, it is almost 1.5 years after during the hospital stay, I have to come to the mainstream. If my legs are not working, my hands are working and my brain is working. Then I took up a job in software, and in next 2 years I became a manager and did a very good work. I helped even my company Philips in getting a quality certification, and they sponsored me a hand-controlled car and they gave me extraordinary contributor award. And in 2009, I had joined another company, and I lost my job due to some misunderstanding with the management about my disability. Then I decided I should never depend for anyone for the job. Then I started on my own and started a corporate training job, and I started my own consulting company. And I traveled almost all cities in the wheelchair, in the flight, and even I traveled 5 countries in the wheelchair to give my training on my official work. And what happened is 2-3 years back, there was some sudden shift happened in my life that I wanted to make difference in people's life. So then I thought I should get into coaching people how to change their life. So that is where I wrote my book called I Choose to Be Unstoppable, which became a #1 Amazon bestseller, and I received a top 100 debut Indian authors award. And now I am making difference in people's life. I was featured in Doordarshan Karnataka, and I also delivered a TEDx talk. So life has offered me so many things now. And right now, I am leading even though I am on the wheelchair, I am leading a life of achievement and success and great fulfillment.
बिल्कुल निरंजन, हैट्स ऑफ टू यू। आपके साथ इतना बड़ा एक्सीडेंट हुआ, नॉर्मल लाइफ से आप व्हीलचेयर पे चले गए, फिर भी आपने हार नहीं मानी, आप ऐसे ही फ्लाई करते रहिए। निरंजन, हमारी को होस्ट दर्शना भी हमारे साथ यूके से जुड़ी हुई हैं, वो भी कुछ सवाल आपसे पूछना चाह रही हैं। जी दर्शना।
Niranjan ji, I wanted to ask you that you have said that challenging one's limit rather than limited by challenges. Can you explain more about this?
Yeah, thank you very much. See, what happens is life can suddenly take a different turn. We don't know what will happen tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So we should be ready to face future challenges. See, I did not even know that I will be on the wheelchair. So, but when I was asked to sit on the wheelchair and spend my life was going to be a huge challenge. So what happens is, in life like this, we start getting so many challenges. So we should not get limited by these kind of obstacles and difficulties and challenges. We should challenge these limits. Only when we start facing the challenges rather than getting limited by challenges, we start growing. See, I did not even know that one day I'll be a TEDx speaker, motivational speaker, changing the people's life. Because I chose to be unstoppable, I challenging my own limits. I am physically disabled. I have limitations physically, but I don't have limitations in my mind. So you should overcome these kind of limitations. We ourselves impose these limitations in our mind, and we get limited by whenever we face difficulties or challenges. So my mantra, my message to the people is, challenge your limits than getting limited by your challenges.
I have one more question for you. What is your future plan?
See, my future plan is, what happens is lots of people in this world, especially even now in the pandemic, everything there is, people get surrounded by negativity. So my future plan is to change the people's life through my coaching, life coaching, and I conduct a workshop called Stand Up, Rewrite Your Destiny, and now I am working on how to turn your passion to income for working professionals. So my future plan is to coach and make people to change their life, and they should be able to rewrite their destiny irrespective of any kind of situation. Situation can happen to anyone, but how do you respond to that situation is most important. So my future plan is teach people there will be difficulties, their life cannot be just in a straight line, life can go in different curves, but how do you travel is very important. Teach them how to face the challenges and create a wonderful and beautiful life for them. At any point of time, they should never think that my life is stopped. I want everyone to think to be unstoppable. That's why I gave my book name called I Choose to Be Unstoppable, and I want everyone to choose to become unstoppable.
वेस्ट विसेज निरंजन, आप ऐसे ही फ्लाई करते रहिए. थैंक्स फॉर ज्वाइनिंग अस.
Thank you.